guys, so today's video is going to be, I'm like sweaty and red because in my other videos I was doing, not videos but like shorts, I was doing new ones and I put flexibility, cheerleading, I wouldn't say gymnastics, but a lot of different stuff. But I'm going to be recreating me doing how to do a back bend. Now, I'm not going to show you the one how I learned. I'm going to try to see if I could teach you guys. If it doesn't work, I'm sorry. I'm not a really good teacher. But yeah, let's get into it. So, and I do look older from the other one though. First, what you ever are going to want to do, if it's including flexibility, gymnastics, cheerleading, you're going to want to do stretches, okay? My hair might look messy too. Okay, well, first stretch I would recommend is probably like butterfly or something. And I just, if you can go all the way down. Hold it for like 10 seconds. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to waste your time, so you can pause the video and do 10 seconds in there. I'm going to do, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called the worm. You do this, and you see, if you ask me, what does it do? It kind of like stretches your back for when you do the back bend. It's not going to hurt as much when you do this. So, and if you want to, you could bend back like that. Hold it for 1 minute, but I'm not. You can pause the video and do it. Now, the next stretch I'm gonna do, I think it's called like a dog pose, I don't know. But you just do that, and when you do that, I want your legs to be straight. Like if you were doing that, I want your legs to be straight, not just being like that while you're doing it. It might hurt, but that's giving you your, what's it called? Like your legs are like stretching. So when you do the back bend, it's kind of strong. So another stretch I would prefer, let's see. For you to do a back bend, I'll probably prefer you to lean. Let me see. Let's do one more stretch and we'll get into it. So thing I would do is your leg like this and then do that. And I want you to keep your leg straight and foot pointed. Make sure no one's around you when you're doing stretches. I forgot to tell you at the beginning. You do this about 3 times. I'm doing it more because, yeah, and then do the same thing 3 times on this side. I'm not really flexible on that leg. Now, let's get into it, how to do a back bend. So the thing you want to do, hold on, my pants or shorts. First thing you want to do when you get into the back bend, first you're going to want to hold on to something. I don't have nothing to hold on, but you're going to hold on to something, and while you do, I'm going to act like I'm holding on something. When you do, you're going to go like that, and you're going to hold it and try to bend back as far as you can. But don't get into a back bend yet. You're just going to like go as far as you can. And if you can't go far, then, I don't know. If you can't go far, like if you try to go far, and you're like, nope, my back hurts too much, no, then that's really not a good sign. Because you're not even in the full back bend until you put your hands down and say, oh, my back hurts. Then, yeah, maybe that's it. But if you're just holding on to something and you just started arching back, if it hurts a lot, then, I don't know, maybe you won't be able to do it. But I hope this helps. So, let's try. So if you're going to be holding on to something, I don't need to, but if you start arching back and you stop right here and you go up and say, oh, my back, then, I don't know, I don't think you're going to be able to. But if you go like this and then start going like that and you say, oh, it started hurting, then that's actually good though, that you went far and it like started hurting. At least you went far. At least you didn't go, oh, like that, and then your back started hurting. And plus, it shouldn't hurt that much since we did that stretch. So that's first step. Second step is you're gonna wanna don't hang on to nothing, just nothing like I am, and then start arching back. And you're gonna wanna hold your legs, thighs, whatever, and then just to make sure when you fall, as soon as you fall, pick up your hands. Because if you go like that, your arms are gonna start falling like that, and then you're gonna fall on your hands, and that's not gonna be good. So let's be careful, please. So you're not, maybe not on your back, maybe on the side. So when you fall, your hands are still on your side. So if you have shorts, just hold on to it and pull it, and then try to go down, okay? And yeah, that's second step. Third step is, let me see. Third step is all the way trying to go down, touch your feet. Don't go like that, because that's not a back bend, okay? And don't just bring your knees down, because that's going to happen to you. See, like, this is what happened if you try to cheat doing third step. You go like that, and then you start arching back for the other leg. You're going to fall. So that's why you lean back and then touch your feet. And if you say, okay, why isn't it just third? Why is there going to be a fourth step? Is there going to be a fourth step or what? It's actually 3 steps, but you're probably, no, but we're just touching our feet on the bottom of our heel, on our foot. Well, that's technically it. Your heel, look, your heel is technically touching the floor. And when you touch this, you could already just touch that. But you're probably right, we're gonna have to do 4 steps, because you're not actually, you're just like that with your heel, but you're actually gonna need to go like that. Like, if you go back, my hand is gonna go like, not trying to scare you, but it's gonna go like that. When you arch back, it's gonna go like that, okay? Not trying to make you scare you. Like, what the, how, my hands are not gonna do that. Well, wait, that actually looked cool though. Wait, if I do that, oh, that looks scary though. Yeah, that's third step. You wanna lean back and make sure you have something with you. Make sure you have a parent, whoever with you, so just in case you fall and you're on a hard surface, like, I don't know, or have pillows like that right there, because like, if I fall, at least have your head, at least have it for your head, or your back, at least your back and up, at least for that, okay? So you're gonna arch back and then not touch the floor like I am. You're gonna try to touch your heel 1 time. So when you touch your heel, when you touch your heel, oh my gosh, I get my words mixed. When you touch your heel, I want you to touch 1 at a time, because doing 2 at a time is actually difficult, more difficult than, oh, sorry. I was just playing with my stitch thing. You know what, I'll do that in another video. But you're gonna touch 1 at a time, because it actually is more difficult to do that than a back bend. So you're gonna do 1 at a time. This is a 4 step, last step for my advice. So when you get the hang of touching your heel and stuff, it's how long as you want. And the last step is you putting your hands on the ground. So don't go slow and steady. Don't go fast. Just like, not this, not that. Just in the middle. And then when you get the hang of it, and maybe if you can, try to pick yourself up. Okay, if you can't, that's fine. At least you can do a back bend. So yeah, and that's good. So bye, peace. I was meant to do this. Peace.